Hello! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Normal, Illinois. And I've come here to see this guy. Chicago Dogs, Espresso, Carl's Ice Cream, and Hamburgers with a drive-thru. And look at that. It's an ice cream muffler man. He's holding an ice cream. What's a muffler man holding? A cheeseburger and a cone. Pretty darn cool. This muffler man is aptly named Carl. He stands outside of Carl's Ice Cream Factory in Normal, Illinois. This is actually the second location of Carl's Ice Cream Factory. The first is located in downtown Bloomington, just a few miles away. Now, this second location of Carl's Ice Cream Factory opened in 2006. It wasn't until March of 2016 that Carl, the 14-foot muffler man, arrived here at this location, bringing with him a little bit of retro, nostalgic charm. Carl was created and manufactured by Mark Klein. They are open, so we're gonna go in and check this place out. There are the hours there. Basically, Monday through Sunday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. and Fridays and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I got this special today. This is the chicken salad with onion rings. Comes with a drink. I also get ice cream in a little bit. And I got the Chicago dog as well. Alrighty. The Chicago dog I had, it's a pretty good Chicago dog. It had everything from a classical Chicago dog on it that you would expect. And it's hard to go wrong when those are done right. I enjoyed it. The onion rings, they were cooked just right in my opinion. Not too crispy, yet at the same time not too soft. It was with the breading and everything on there. It was done just right. It was almost the perfect onion ring. For my drink, I got a Dr. Pepper. Now here is a look at the tuna salad sandwich. There's tuna salad on a large crescent roll. As you can see, it's a very large crescent roll bun there, and it had lettuce and tomato. Now I have to say, you know, I like a good tuna salad sandwich. I really do, and this was a really good tuna salad sandwich. It was quite tasty.
Ba-ba-da.
soft serve ice cream cone. I opted for strawberry. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land, where we stopped off and visited Carl's Ice Cream in Normal, Illinois. And we saw the fiberglass giant Carl. Pretty darn cool. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and making a donation or becoming a member there. You could also hit the super like button down below, the little heart with the $sign in it, and a little bit of that money goes to me and helps support the channel too. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.